BJP's candidate for Hyderabad Lok Sabha seat, Madhvi Lata, was booked for obstructing the poll process after she decided to herself verify the veracity of voters by asking them to lift the burqa or face veil.
भैया मैं कैंडिडेट हूँ और एज पर लॉ कैंडिडेट हैज अ राइट टू चेक द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड with the face without the face mask, and if somebody wants to make a big issue out of it, that means that he's scared of it.
The complaint in the case says the voter had returned without voting after Madhvi Lata asked her to go home. The Hyderabad District Election Officer Mr. Ronald Rose has clarified to NDTV that no candidate has the right to check and verify the authenticity of voters, that any suspicion needs to be conveyed to the polling officer who will follow due process. Madhvi Lata's conduct can also be construed as an intrusion of privacy. In Tenali, YSRCP sitting MLA and candidate for the party was caught on camera slapping a voter who apparently objected to his supporters jumping the queue. The voter returned the blow. The voter was subsequently assaulted by the MLA's supporters.
ఈరోజు అతను ఆల్కహాల్ కూడా తాగి ఉన్నాడు. ఆ తాగి ఉండి నేను నా భార్య ఓటేయడానికి వెళ్తుంటే కానీ అసభ్య దోషంతో పక్కన నా భార్య నేను ఉన్నప్పుడు అసభ్య దోషంతో మరి ముఖ్యంగా ఏదైతే ఈ చిన్న కులాల్ని బహిరంగంగా తిట్టాడు. మాలా మాదిగలకు అండగాసే పార్టీ, మైనార్టీలకు అండగాసే పార్టీ, ఇట్లాంటి పార్టీలో ఈ లంజోడుగా అసలు కమ్మాడేనా, వీడు కమ్మాడేనా ఈ మాటలో.
What we are saying to the election commission and police forces, we have to control these kind of things, because the voter has every right to ask the MLA to come in the line. If he doesn't want to, at least he should explain rather than slapping on the face.
An FIR was booked against the ruling party MLA and his supporters, even as TDP said it was classic high-handedness of YSRCP rulers. With inputs from Tenali, in Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.